the Maharashtra government has now issued show-cause notices to 4 private hospitals in Mumbai who were allegedly flouting the 80-20 formula related to COVID beds. The State Health Minister Rajesh Tope visited these private hospitals in Mumbai to review the situation himself. The Health Minister said that the state government will take strict action against those private hospitals which are not following the norm where they are supposed to allot 80% of their beds to the government for COVID patients.
मुझे लगता है कि 80-20 का फॉर्मूला है और कई बड़े बड़े ग्राउंड्स में हमने अभी नए तरीके से बेड्स लगाने का काम जो ऑक्सीजनेटेड बेड्स रहेंगे वहाँ पर भी हमने व्यवस्था की है। लेकिन अगर जो प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स है, जो ट्रस्ट के हॉस्पिटल्स है, वे हॉस्पिटल्स अगर कायदे से जो बेड्स हमारे को मिलना ही ज़रूरी है वो अगर नहीं मिल रहे हैं तो कल हमारी जो पर्सनल मेरी विज़िट रही, मेरे साथ सुधाकर शिंदे जो सक्षम अधिकारी है, कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी है, वे मेरे साथ थे। हमने देखे कि कई उसमें कमियां हैं इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में, जैसा कि वहाँ पर बोर्ड लगाया गया नहीं है, चार्जेस का बोर्ड लगाया गया नहीं है और कुछ पेशेंट्स को वहाँ पर बेड्स उपलब्ध नहीं किया जा रहा था। हमने वहाँ पर बेड्स तो उपलब्ध किए लेकिन उनको हमने नोटिस भी जारी किया है कि एक शोकॉज नोटिस है कि ये हम बिल्कुल सहन नहीं करेंगे। अगर आपने ये बेड्स जो कायदे से हक बनता है गवर्नमेंट का 80% बेड्स विद कैप्ड चार्जेस वो देना ज़रूरी है, वो देना चाहिए आपने। अगर नहीं करेंगे आप तो कायदे से कार्रवाई हम ज़रूर करें।
Let me bring in my colleague Disha for further updates on this. Disha, good morning. Which are these 4 private hospitals which the Maharashtra government has decided to show cause? Because we're also looking at the number of cases that are increasing and there are shortage of beds.
Well, certainly, Apurva, and this is what exactly we have been highlighting this issue here on Mirror Now, categorically stating that how patients are denied beds, how the hospitals keep on saying that there are no beds available, and this, of course, has now been, proven by the Health Minister himself after he had paid surprise visits to most of the private prominent hospitals. So, when the Health Minister visited 4 such hospitals here, if you talk about Jaslok, Bombay Hospital, Hinduja Hospital and Lilavati Hospital, he did really come across that these 4 hospitals are not at all complying with the government rules that says that at least 80% of the beds should be reserved for COVID-19 patients. There was clearly a 80:20 ratio formula, but that has not been applied by the private hospitals. Another big, thing that they actually found was that even despite the 50% beds being available, patients were being turned away, simply saying that there are no beds available in the hospital to treat them. So that was the second lapse that, the government really found. And third, as per the new government guidelines, Apurva, clearly each and every hospital here, as far as private is concerned, at the reception counter, they have to keep a, board mentioning the rates for isolation ward, for an ICU bed, but that was also not visible in all of these 4 hospitals. So looking at such lapses and looking at the scenario where Mumbai is struggling to get beds, the patients are struggling to get beds, they have sent show cause notices to such hospitals as we speak.
Absolutely. We are looking at a shortage of beds, and we have also highlighted in our continuous investigation of how there are no beds that are available. What is the statement, Disha, that has come in from these hospitals which have been show caused by the Maharashtra government?
Well, we have got in touch with all of the 4 hospitals in concern, Apurva, and we are yet to receive a response from them as to what their next move is, because remember, the Health Minister in conversation with Mirror Now had clearly said that in all the private hospitals with this new formula, at least 12,000 beds have to be made available with 1,200 ICU beds. So here, of course, we are waiting that when the private hospitals will go about adopting these new policies that have been laid by the government. So we are yet to receive response from any of these 4 hospitals.
All right, Disha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.